Welcome to Step 5, the final step in fitting the new lining. In this video, we'll show you how to lay the suede onto the board, work it into the shape of the panel, smooth out any wrinkles, trim the openings, and finish the edges off neatly. Your suede is already cut to size from the earlier step. Both surfaces are sprayed, and the adhesive is tacky. Now it's time to fit the suede, and this is where all the preparation pays off. Before you start, if you can get someone to help you with this part, do it. The suede grabs quickly once it touches the adhesive, and you can't simply lift it off and reposition it. Pulling it back risks stretching or tearing the material. Start by laying the suede down gently from one side, easing it across the board, rather than dropping the whole piece down at once. Once it's in position, work out from the middle using a soft cloth, pressing the fabric down firmly as you go. This is what keeps the surface smooth and stops wrinkles forming. If you spot a wrinkle appearing, ease it out straight away before you press that area down. Once a crease is pressed into the adhesive, it's there to stay, so catch it early. With the main panel down, you can start trimming the openings. If your car has a sunroof or panoramic roof, cut that out first as it's the largest opening. Then move on to the smaller holes for the grab handles and any lights. Take your time with the cuts and keep them neat. Once the main surface is done, finish the edges last. Spray a little more adhesive onto the folded edge of the suede and onto the board. Work your way around the board one edge at a time. The extra material you left when you cut the suede is what gives you a clean fold. So don't rush this part. It's not just the main board that gets the suede treatment. The smaller trim pieces are done to match as well. Here's the difference it makes. And that's it. Once the edges are down, the board is ready to go back in the car. Refit everything in reverse order, the lights, the handles, the sun visors and the trim. And the job is done. It might not be perfect first time, but any small imperfections are barely noticeable once the board is back in place. What you'll have is a fresh, clean headlining that looks far better than what was there before. Thanks for following along with the series. If you found it useful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more from Auto Suede. All the products used across this series are linked below.